Welcome to Stamped. In this video, we'll be giving you a brief overview of what to expect from your stamped reviews. Stamped reviews enables brands to drive faster, more efficient growth with the help of product reviews, user-generated content, net promoter scores, and StampedIQ. Product reviews collect and showcase reviews and ratings to increase trust, drive conversions, and give customers the confidence that they need to make a purchase. User-generated content. Ask customers to share photos and videos of your products to enrich your marketing campaigns, increase customer trust, and build social proof. Net Promoter Score. Survey customers about their overall happiness with your brand to quantify customer satisfaction, improve brand credibility, and monitor potential churn risks. StampedIQ. Leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning to increase accuracy, contextualize feedback, and uncover actionable insights with customer data. You can import your existing reviews into Stamped to keep your reviews experience seamless for both you and your customers. You can also import up to 6 months of your existing order history to send review requests to past customers. If you're migrating from another reviews platform, start by preparing your export file. Then, go to your Stamped dashboard and go into Settings, Importer, and click the Reviews tab. Choose your provider source here in the dropdown, select your CSV file, and click Upload. If you're importing your reviews data manually, start by making a copy of the CSV file linked in the video description. Add your reviews data to your CSV file, making sure to match the formatting to the sample data, then delete the sample data once you're done. Then you'll want to go to your Stamped dashboard and go into Settings, Importer, and click the Reviews tab. Under Select Provider Resource, choose Custom in the dropdown, select your CSV file, and click Upload. To import your existing order history, go to your Stamped dashboard and go into Settings, Importer, and click the Order History tab. Then click on Import Order History. Enable review requests and set up an email sequence to collect reviews from your customers. Customize your email content, the timing, and the sequence to optimize your response rates. To create your review request sequence, go to your Stamped dashboard and go into Settings, Customize, Reviews, and click on Review Request Sequence. Here, you can edit your review request email and add additional emails to your review request sequence. We recommend adding at least one additional follow-up email. You can adjust the intervals between emails as needed. You can also change the email's layout and customize the email subject line and message. We recommend giving your customers at least 2 weeks to experience your product before sending your first review request email. When you're done, be sure to toggle Enable Review Requests on and click Save. To further customize your review request emails, match your fonts and colors to the rest of your branding by going to Display, Review Emails, and Branding. Localize your email's contents to match your brand language by going to Settings, Customize, Reviews, and Localization. You can customize your email delay interval for international orders by opening your additional email settings. Personalize your emails by adding liquid variables to the subject line or to the message, such as the customer's first name or the product's title. Lastly, we do recommend the following to make the most of the reviews features available to you. Head into your settings, click on Reviews, Email Frequency Recommendations and Options. And here you can enable, do you recommend this product? Do you want to write a review for other products? As well as product recommendations. Next, we recommend going into your settings, customize, reviews, and photos and videos here to enable the collection of photos and/or video uploads. Next, we do recommend going into your settings and heading into your reviews integrations and then clicking on Google, where you can enable the product ratings as well as Google seller ratings. Once you've enabled, be sure to click Save. Set yourself up for success with these last few steps to ensure that your stamped reviews experience is fully optimized, customized, and ready to go. To customize your store name, email address, and store logo, go into Settings and click on General. And under General Email Settings, here you can update the From name and the From email field so that customers know where your emails are coming from. Next, scroll down a little bit and click on Add a Logo. And here you can feature your brand's logo at the top of your emails. To verify your SPF and DKIM records and to ensure that your review requests are sent from your brand's email address, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings. Then click on the Deliverability tab up at the top. If you don't already see a list of records here, click DNS Records. Once you've collected your records, you will need to add them to your email service provider. Click the link in the video description to find a complete set of instructions for your domain host. Then, return to your Stamped dashboard and click Validate Records. To configure your DMARC records and to prevent email spoofing and phishing attacks, please go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings and click on the Deliverability tab up at the top. Look for the DMARC host value and policy under your SPF and DKIM records. Your essential DMARC tags, which specify how your email domain should handle unauthenticated emails, are as follows. These tags need to be added manually to your email service provider. First, prepare the text file or the line that represents your policy record. Then, go to your domain host and find the page for updating your DNS records. Then, either add a new DNS TXT record or modify an existing record by including the following. After saving your changes, it's expected that you won't see a green check mark next to the DMARC record in your stamped settings. To confirm that your DMARC record has been set up successfully, we recommend using a free DMARC validator tool. To customize your thank you page, go into Settings, Customize, and Thank You page. And here, you can customize your page's title and message to match your brand language. To enable your Shopify self-hosted thank you page, click on the thank you page that you want to adjust, and be sure to click on Enable Self-Hosted Thank You page to toggle it on, and click Save. And then, to redirect customers to the corresponding thank you page, go into your settings, go into Reviews, and Redirection. And here, you can update the reviewed redirect URL here. Be sure to toggle on and to click Save when you're done. Customize the look, content, and layout of your main reviews widget and star ratings widget. Then install them directly onto your Shopify storefront to showcase your reviews. To install the stamped script into Shopify 2.0 or Shopify Vintage, go to your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store, Themes, then click Actions or the three little dots and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the theme.liquid template, copy and paste the specified code just before the closing body tag, then click Save. To install your main reviews widget in Shopify 2.0 themes, go to your Shopify dashboard, Themes, Customize, and then find your product template. Then click on Add Section. Select Main Widget from Stamped, and then adjust its position as needed. To install your main reviews widget in Shopify Vintage themes, go to your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store, Themes, then click Actions and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the product.liquid template, copy and paste the specified code above the section Product Recommendations or Include Related Products. To install your star rating badge on collection pages in Shopify 2.0 or Vintage themes, go to your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Stores, Theme, then click Actions or the three little dots and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the product card liquid template, copy and paste the specified code under Product Title. To install your star rating badge on product pages in Shopify 2.0, go to your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store, Themes, Customize, then look for the products template in the Theme drop-down menu. Open the product information section in the left-hand panel and click Add Block. Select Star Rating from Stamped and then adjust its position as needed. To install your star rating badge on product pages in Shopify Vintage, go to your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store, Themes, then click Actions and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the product card.liquid or product.liquid template, copy and paste the specified code under product.title. To customize your main reviews widgets, go to Display, Widgets, Main Widget, and here you can change the layout, language, and sort type, loading type, and more. We recommend going to Customization to enable the Questions and Answers feature and options to enable Custom Form Filter and Free Text Search to provide more context to your customers. Stamped Reviews Analytics enables you to learn more about your customers and measure their overall satisfaction with your products. You can filter and analyze your data to make smarter, more effective business decisions. In your Overview dashboard, you can view your total number of reviews, total review requests emails sent, and average review rating. You can also identify top countries, products, and customers by reviews, top products by ratings, top keywords in reviews, and top searches. In your Reports section, you can view and export reports for ratings over time, ratings by product, ratings by country, and custom form questions as well. You can adjust the filter to view data collected over a specific period of time. In your Insights Analysis dashboards, you can view common topics mentioned in your reviews and their respective sentiment scores. A dedicated reviews landing page helps customers to see all of your reviews at a glance without needing to navigate to a specific product page. This is especially helpful for customers who are interested in your brand but aren't sure which product best fits their needs. To find your self-hosted reviews page, go to your store URL/a/review/all. This page showcases only 5-star reviews by default. To see your reviews with 4 stars or below, add the following to the end of the URL and replace rating with a number between 1 to 4. To customize your self-hosted reviews page, go to your Shopify dashboard and create a new page. Customize the page's title and content as needed. Then set the URL to stamped-reviews. Once you've saved your new page, go to your store URL/a/review/all. This will display your customized content along with your reviews. Choose from different predefined email templates or build your own layouts with HTML and CSS so that your emails are on brand with the rest of your email marketing content. The layout editor works for review requests, Net Promoter Score requests, community Q&A requests, and coupons. To create a new email layout, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Display, Review Emails, and Layouts. Then select the layout of your choice and click on Edit. This will create a new copy that will not affect the default layout. Add your custom code, give your new layout a name and a title, and then click Create. It will now be available as a layout option in your email settings. Product groups allow you to group similar products together based on parameters like category, brand, or type so that they can share the same reviews. This is especially helpful for collections of related products or similar products with slight variations such as different colors or sizes. To create a product group by product ID, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to your settings. Click on the Groups tab. Click on Add Group and give your group a name, and add the product IDs you would like to use in this group. Repeat this process until you've added all the products for your group, and then click Save. To create a product group by product title, type, or SKU, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings and Groups. Click Add Groups and give your group a name, and then change the conditions to product title, product type, or product SKU, and select either equals or contains. Add all the product titles, types, and SKUs to your group, and then click Save. You'll need to update your main reviews widget and your star ratings badge for groups with the similar following attributes. Exclusion settings allow you to exclude specific customers, orders, and products from your product recommendations or review request emails. Exclusions are especially useful for suppressing corporate, wholesale, and Amazon orders. To exclude customers from all of your emails, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings, and then click on the Exclusions tab. In the Suppression section, add the email addresses you'd like to exclude, and then click on Save. To exclude customers from review requests using customer tags in Shopify, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings, General, and then click the Exclusions tab. Under Rules, create a tag under Exclude Customers from Review Requests. Then go to your Shopify dashboard and add the same tag to all of your customer profiles that you would like to exclude. To exclude specific products from your review request emails using product tags in Shopify, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to your Settings, Exclusions. Under Rules, create a tag under Exclude Products from Review Requests. And then go to your Shopify dashboard and add the same tag to all of your products that you like to exclude. To exclude specific products from your review request emails using product ID, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings, and then click on the Exclusions tab. Under Rules, add the product IDs of the specific products that you would like to exclude under Exclude Products from Review Request sequence. To exclude products from your Smart Recommendations, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings, General, and then click on the Exclusions tab. Under Rules, add the product IDs or tags that you would like to exclude under Exclude Products from Smart Recommendations with tags. To exclude Amazon orders from your review request emails, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings, General, and then click on the Exclusions tab. In the Suppression section, add the domain name marketplace.amazon.com. To set a minimum required order amount for review request emails, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings, General, and click on the Exclusions tab. Under Rules, add your specified amount under Minimum Required Order Amount to send review emails. You can publish, moderate, and reply to reviews as needed. By unpublishing, archiving, or deleting reviews, they will no longer be visible on your website and will not factor into your average review rating. To moderate and publish reviews, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to your Review section. Click on Unpublished or Pending. Select the review that you would like to publish and click on the crossed out eye icon to publish your review. Here, or you can click on Publish here. This will process in the background, and once it has published, you will see the eye icon turn green as seen here, or you will see this button turn to Unpublish. You can click this button to unpublish the review. To archive a review, select the review that you would like to archive and click Archive at the top right. To moderate multiple reviews at the same time, click the checkboxes of the reviews that you would like to moderate, and then click More Action and choose your option. If you have auto-publish enabled, you can specify the minimum star rating needed for verified reviews to be automatically published. For example, you might auto-publish every verified review with a 3-star rating or above. All reviews that fall below the number of stars indicated will require moderation in the Pending tab. You can delay publishing your pending reviews for up to 14 days. After that, they will be published per FTC guidelines. Archived and deleted reviews do not follow the rules for the auto-published feature, meaning that they'll remain unpublished. If you don't have auto-published enabled, all reviews will require moderation in the Pending tab and will be published after your set delay interval has passed. To enable, disable, or update your auto-publish settings, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings, Customize, Reviews, Publish Reviews. Here, you can toggle Enable Auto-Publish on. Then, set the minimum star rating needed for verified ratings or reviews to be automatically published and the number of days in which all new reviews that do not meet your star rating criteria will be automatically published to a maximum of 14 days. When you're done, click Save. You can also reply to reviews either privately or publicly. This is a great way to thank customers for their 5-star ratings or start a conversation with customers who left 1-star reviews and resolve any issues. To reply to reviews, go to Reviews and select the review that you would like to reply to. Then, type your response in the Add a Reply field. You can also choose whether to notify customers via email or to keep your reply private. Reward customers with coupons and discount codes in exchange for reviews to improve review conversion rates, upsell and cross-sell products, and increase customer retention. To enable the coupon feature, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings and Coupons. Select one of the 4 coupon categories: write a review, upload photo, upload video, and share review. If you enable all 4 coupon categories, only 1 coupon will be sent to the customer based on the last action that they've taken. Complete the required fields, customize the email message if needed, and then click Save and toggle Enable on. Coupon codes are generated and managed in your e-commerce platform's dashboard. There are 2 different types of coupons: fixed coupons, in which all customers receive the same code, and dynamic coupons, in which each customer receives a unique code. Dynamic coupon codes are generated in your e-commerce platform, then imported into Stamped. To generate your fixed coupon or dynamic coupon codes, follow the guides linked in the video description. Then, to upload your dynamic coupon codes, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings, Coupons, General. Click the cloud icon to import your CSV file. Here, you can also limit the number of coupons customers receive within a certain number of days. Custom forms allow you to collect additional information about your customers and their experience with your products. This information can help you better understand your customers' needs and expectations and can be used to educate potential customers and market to returning customers. Some examples of custom form questions might include height, weight, age range, gender, fit, skin type, and quality. Custom forms have three settings: title, rules, and questions. Rules allows you to determine where the custom form question will be shown. For example, you might create different custom forms for each product category. The three types of rules are product title, product type, and product ID. Questions allow you to ask customers for specific information. The four types of questions are checkbox, radio, scale, and text box. Each question type has four shared settings: the question, its optional title, and whether it's a public question and/or a required question. There's also an additional setting for scale questions for whether to display responses as a gauge or as a range. Radio and scale questions can be displayed as filter options in your reviews widget. To create a custom form, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Settings, Customize, Reviews, and Custom Forms. Then click Add Custom Form, give your form a title, add your custom questions, and click Save. Showcase your reviews across your storefront with built-in templates and fully customizable widgets. These widgets will help customers to access your reviews from anywhere and give them the context and confidence that they need to make a purchase. Here's all the types of display widgets that we offer: carousel, full page, reviews pop-up, single highlight, visual gallery, wall photos, top rated, side drawer, site badge, Instagram feed, and checkout comments. To install display widgets on an existing page in Shopify 2.0 themes, go to your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store, Themes, and click Customize. Find the page template where you would like the widget to be installed, and then click Add Section and choose your widget from the apps installed. Some widgets use the App Embed section of the theme editor instead. To install the side drawer, MPS modal, or review pop-up in Shopify 2.0 themes, simply toggle them on and click Save. Then click the widget to further customize it. To install display widgets on a custom page in Shopify 2.0, go to your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store, Themes, Customize. Click Pages up at the very top, create template, name your page, and choose a template that it's based on, and then click Create Template. Click Add Section and choose your widget from the apps listed. Then click Save, and next, go to the Online Store, Pages, and click Add Page. Give your page a title and content if needed. Then, under Theme Template, choose your newly created template and click Save. To install display widgets in Shopify Vintage, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Display Widgets and choose which widget you would like to install and customize it as needed, and then click Get Codes and copy codes. To install display widgets using the theme editor, go to your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store, Themes, and Customize. Click Add Section here at the left and select Custom Liquid. Paste your widget code here in Custom Liquid box, and once you're done, make sure to click Save. To install display widgets on a custom page, go to your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store, Pages, and click Add Page. Give the page a title and click on the HTML icon right here. Paste your widget code in the HTML editor and then click Save when you're done. Community Q&A enables you and your past customers to answer questions asked by new customers. For example, customers may have specific questions about your product's quality, durability, size, or fit. By answering these questions, you can build trust, set expectations, boost site traffic, and drive more sales. To enable community Q&A, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Display, Widgets, Main Widget, Customization, click Show All Customization Options, and toggle Questions and Answers on, and click Save. To automatically send questions to past customers, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Settings, Customize, Questions and Answers, Community Q&A, and then toggle Enable New Questions to be sent to top 5 customers. And then be sure to click Save. To manually send questions to past customers, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Questions, then select the question that you would like to share and click Send to Past Customers. The question email will be sent to the 5 customers who have left a positive review and have purchased that specific product in the past. To answer submitted questions directly, go to your stamped dashboard and go to your questions unanswered and then select the question that you would like to answer. Similar to reviews, you can auto-publish your questions or moderate them manually. To auto-publish your questions, go to the stamped dashboard and go to Settings, Customize, Questions and Answers, and Auto-Publish. Then toggle Enable Auto-Publish on and click Save. To moderate your questions, go to Questions, select the question you would like to moderate, and choose to publish, unpublish, or archive it. Get immediate feedback and valuable purchase insights from your customers with checkout reviews. When customers make a purchase, ask them one simple question. Why did you buy this item? Checkout reviews provide immediate visibility into purchase decision factors and creates richer customer profiles. To enable checkout reviews, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Settings, Customize, and click on Checkout Reviews. And then toggle the Enable Checkout Reviews section, and then click on Save. To edit the button color, as you're seeing here, go to Settings, go to Branding, and where you see button background is where you can change this color. You can click into here to choose a color, or you can edit the hex code that you see here and click Save. To install the checkout reviews, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Display, Widgets, Display Widgets, and click Checkout Comments. Customize the widget as you would like, and then click Get Codes. Copy your widget code and paste it into your site's themes templates. Encourage your customers to leave photo and video reviews to increase your conversion rate and SEO performance. User-generated content is proven to drive sales, increase revenue, and build your community. 60% of customers prefer photo reviews over text-only reviews, and they can lead to a 4x increase in conversion rates on your product pages. To enable photo and video reviews, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Settings, Customize, Reviews, Photos and Videos. Check off Photo Upload and/or Video Upload, then click Save. Here, you can also choose to watermark customers' photos with your logo and customize the message that customers receive when requesting photos and videos. To moderate photo and video submissions, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Reviews, All Reviews, and click the review that you would like to moderate. To publish or unpublish a photo or video, click the eye icon. To adjust the photo's orientation, click the arrow icons to rotate it left or right. To curate your user-generated content, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Visual UGC. Here, you'll see two tabs, Photos and Videos. Click Reject or Approve under each item to either reject or approve your customer's content. Rejected content can be restored back to pending at any time. Take it one step further with Instagram shoppable galleries. You can easily moderate and filter high quality, on brand visual content and add an Instagram feed widget to your website, leveraging social proof to drive more sales and engagement. To start, connect your Facebook account. Go to your stamped dashboard and go to Settings, and go to Social tab and click Connect Facebook to connect your Facebook account, which should be linked to your Instagram business account. To curate your Instagram photos and videos, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Instagram. Here, you'll see four tabs: My Posts, which are posts from your brand's Instagram account; Tagged Me, which are photos and videos that customers tagged your brand's Instagram account in; Mentioned Me, photos and videos where your brand's Instagram account were mentioned in the comments; and Hashtags, where photos and videos are sorted by hashtag. Click Reject or Approve under each item to either reject or approve your customer's content. Rejected content can be restored back to pending at any time. To request customers' permission to share their photos and videos, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Instagram and click Settings. Under Instagram Automated Request Management, ARM, edit the ARM permission request message and ARM permission agree tag fields as needed. To tag your customers' Instagram photos and videos, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Instagram. Click on the tag icon below the photo or video that you would like to tag. Click on Add Product Tag. Then click where on the photo or video that you would like the tag to be placed and select the product name. You can also feature customers' photos or videos by clicking on the star icon. To create albums for use in display widgets, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Instagram. Check off the photos and videos that you would like to include, and then open the drop-down menu and click Add Photos to Album. Here, you either search for an existing album or you create a new one by entering a new name. And take note of the album's ID. When creating or updating your display widgets, add your album ID to the Data Album ID attribute. NPS, or Net Promoter Score, is a customer satisfaction metric that helps brands to quantify customer loyalty, predict churn rates, and build better relationships. Brands start by asking their customers one simple question: on a scale of 0 to 10, how likely are you to recommend us to a friend? Customers who enter 0 to 6 are detractors. Customers who answer 7 to 8 are passives. And customers who enter 9 to 10 are promoters. NPS scores can range from -100 to +100 and are calculated by subtracting the percentage of detractors from the percentage of promoters. To enable Net Promoter Score, go to your stamped dashboard and go to Settings, Customize, Net Promoter Score, and click Email. Enable Net Promoter Score and click Save. You can also customize your NPS request email, add NPS display widgets to your website, and syndicate your NPS reviews to Google Seller Ratings. With StampedIQ, you can leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning to create a high-quality, analytics-driven reviews experience for both you and your customers. Smart Assist helps customers write better reviews by providing 3 topic suggestions tailored to each product, leading to more relevant context and information for future customers. As your customer writes their review, the bar above the text field will indicate the quality of the review based on the length of the review and whether they included all 3 suggested topics. To enable Smart Assist, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to your settings, click on StampedIQ and toggle StampedIQ Smart Assist on and click Save. Smart Vision analyzes and sorts user-generated content based on dominant colors and the presence of people, helping you moderate and curate visual galleries. To enable Smart Vision, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings, StampedIQ, and toggle SmartIQ Smart Vision and click Save. To use Smart Vision, go to Visual UGC and view your customers' photos and videos. Then use the options to filter your media. Sentiment and topics analysis examines and generates relevant topics for each review, helping you flag reviews for moderation if the content doesn't match the rating. This helps prevent false positive reviews and make sure that only your best reviews are shown to customers. To enable sentiment and topics analysis, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings, StampedIQ, toggle StampedIQ Sentiment and Topics Analysis, and click Save. Topic filters convert reviews into contextual overviews and identify recurring topics such as quality, fit, comfort, and taste. These keywords help customers to filter reviews based on their own purchase decision factors. To enable topic filters, go to your Stamped dashboard and go to Settings, StampedIQ. Toggle StampedIQ Topics Filter and make sure to click Save. You can also exclude specific keywords from your topics filter on this page. Get started with stamped reviews and drive more sales, engagement, and revenue with your customers' feedback.